JCB manufactures heavy equipment for construction, agriculture, waste handling, and much, much more. Their commitment to innovation, coupled with their dedication to hiring veterans, helps make this company a success.
JCB was founded by one man in a garage in England in 1945. Since then, the company has created innovative, reliable, and safe products for the construction and agricultural industries. With their North American headquarters in Savannah, Georgia, JCB has a specific focus on hiring veterans. As a matter of fact, over 10% of personnel at JCB are veterans.
JCB is one of the largest manufacturers of construction, agricultural, and military products in the world. We're sitting in one of the largest markets in the world for our product, and we've barely scratched the surface. So we are fast-paced, we're solutions-oriented. We value our team members, and we promote that across the organization. So when we're bringing on board a military service member, they're typically going to possess a really strong value of teamwork. They're going to be resilient, they're going to be solutions-oriented, positive and professional approach to their role. And those are all things that we value as an organization, and we do feel strongly we can train the rest.
Chris Trampish served over 14 years in the U.S. Army. He's now concentrating on sales for JCB in the Northeast.
I was airborne infantry platoon sergeant, so I was responsible for about 25 soldiers, welfare training, get them ready for combat environment. How I found JCB, I actually was putting myself through college to become a police officer. JCB reached out to me while I was in college, asked me if I would come in for an interview, and they called me a week later and asked me if I would start, and it took off from there. Currently, I am the Northeast Regional Sales Manager, and that's from working from the start. I was an assembler out on the assembly line, went to quality, then I went to sign out, became a product manager in the office, and then the job that I currently hold now.
As a 6-year U.S. Army veteran, Devon Bass joined JCB through an apprenticeship program.
When I got out of the military, used my GI Bill. I decided to go to school, try to learn some trade or skill, and I was actually at Savannah Technical College. I was looking into their welding program, and some representatives from JCB came out to talk about the apprenticeship, and they discussed school and on-site experience, so I thought that sounded like a good deal, threw my hat in.
After joining the Air Force in 1994, Richard Sanji spent 24 years maintaining survival equipment and supporting special ops. Now he's taken his skills to the JCB manufacturing floor as an SSL assembly group lead.
Going to the job fairs as I was transitioning into retirement really opened my eyes, because being in the military 24 years, I've never had to apply for a job. I didn't have to go to interviews. I didn't have to do any of those things. So someone in their early 40s at the time, it was a learning experience for me, and that's what I got from the job fair. See what was out there, how to talk to people on the civilian side versus talking to them in the military. So much like the military, I think JCB is a great place for veterans to work at, because it's all about the team atmosphere, your brothers and sisters in arms. And that's how we are on the assembly line. We have to work as a group, just like the military. We can't get a machine built without everyone being there, without everybody pulling their weight. You always have something there, you're part of something. And that's what JCB has been for me. I'm part of something. It's always here. There's always a job to be done. You're always part of a team. And the team embraces you, just like in the military.
I feel like companies should hire veterans because they're looking for a certain skill set, leadership, discipline, integrity. Employees showing up on time is a big one, even though it might not be to somebody else.
JCB has a spot for anyone who wants to have a career, especially vets. When you get out, maybe you're not sure where to go. You're used to having a set mission, you're used to having direction given to you. And if you're not sure, there's a lot of different opportunities here.
For more information on the company, visit their website, jcb.com.